Is your Buick Enclave struggling to maintain a stable Apple CarPlay connection? Data shows that 80% of infotainment connectivity issues are actually caused by simple cable or software glitches. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get you back on the road with full integration. Start by inspecting your cable for damage, then forget the device in settings and perform a quick soft reset of your infotainment system. Common software culprits include outdated iOS versions, disabled Siri permissions, or using a cheap cable that only supports charging. Dive into your iPhone settings to ensure CarPlay is not restricted under your screen time and privacy settings. Most fixes are simple home remedies, but persistent disconnects might signal a failing USB port or internal module that requires a dealer visit. As seen here, most solutions cost almost nothing, while dealer diagnostics can quickly become an expensive investment. If the problem persists, check your interior fuse box and look for any available system firmware updates on the Buick owner portal. Keep a basic toolkit handy, including an Apple-certified cable and a simple OBD-I scanner, to troubleshoot these electronic gremlins yourself. Remember, technology is great until it is not, so keep your software current and your connections clean to avoid most headaches. Thanks for watching. If you fixed your CarPlay connection, leave a comment below to help others out.